I'm Suraj Salunkhe. My company name is STM Engineering Satara. I'm proprietor of the firm. I started this firm in the year 21 June 2014. Almost 11 years has been completed for my firm. And I have to taken the machines from STM before 2.5 years, that is the year of 2022. And the second machine I purchased in the year of 2020. I got a very good response from their salesperson as well as their marketing persons and as well as their machine repairs person. Whenever I got the single problem, the person is coming and solving each and every problem. Whatever we had problem, he is coming in a single day and solving each and every problem. And basically, I am dealing with the automotive industries as well as agriculture industries. Main supply for SJ Engineering is the Bajaj, but not directly dealing with the Bajaj. We are supplying the materials to the flash electronics and warehouse electronics. And I got a really wonder experience by using these STM machines. The basic difference I got in the light, because I was previously using Hitan Mars series, and I got better and better experience while using these SNT machines. And the machines are reliable and very fast. We can run the machines as per your convenience, and we can run the machines as per your cycle time, whatever you need. And the best thing I got about this machine is that we can adjust the machine as per our convenience. So means it is not necessary that we have to adjust the machines as per the component. We can adjust the machine as per our convenience. So I have recommended this Vipul Plastic customer to take the machines. He had also taken the machine in 2024, just 2 months back. He is also fully satisfied. I got call from him that I'm totally satisfied with whatever the references you have given. Same thing, Shivani Engineering Satara. He has also taken the 150-ton machines, and he is also totally satisfied with the machine's performance as well as the product that he is getting from the machines. That's all. Thank you.